Hey everyone, welcome to week 3 in Art 1. This weekly preview, I just want to tell you guys about what we have in store for you. To start off the week, we're going to dive into the principles of art, laying that solid foundation, learning those principles, and being able then to apply them. The second activity for you guys this week is to identify the principles within the images. So it's good to do the first assignment, getting an understanding of them first. On Wednesday after class, we will have an exit ticket. You'll hear more about that at the end of class on Wednesday, so be sure to attend. And then to finish out the week, we're going to start with our first principle and really kind of diving into understanding what balance is about, and then practicing applying balance to a project. All right, so if you guys have any questions about anything going on throughout the week, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and be sure to be at live class on Wednesday at 1:30. All right, see you guys soon.